Welcome everybody, and once again, it is AG Maths, the way of life, my channel for mathematics. I am your educator, Ajay Misra. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end and try to like it and subscribe if you find it is useful. And I am sure this will be very useful for the students who are still in the school levels. I'll tell you something about how to write the tables from 11 to 99. One thing you have to remember, the table of 1 to 10. You know the table of 1 to 10, very easily you can write down the tables of any number between 11 to 99. I'll start with suppose 98. Okay, so 98 is my number. I will separate this number into two parts like this, 9 and 8. 9 and 8 into 1 will give me 98. That is very simple. Now 8 into 2 times will be what? I will do 9 into 2 and then 8 into 2. Right? Write the result of this. It is 18 and the result of this is 16. Then what you do is you add these two digits and write the answer as equal to 1, 9 and 6. This is the 2 times of 98. You can verify it. 98 into 2 is 196. Similarly, 3 times you have to multiply each digit by 3 and write the result 27 and 24. Then add up these two. What you get is 2, 9 and 4. So this is 98 3 times. 3 times of 98. Third multiple. If you have to write the fourth one, 9 into 4, then 8 into 4. So you write 36 and you also write 32. And what happens? Add up these two and it's a multiple of 4. So you are getting an answer of 3 and 2 will remain as it is. And the middle one you will add up and write. So 392. Then 9 5 8 5 that is the fifth multiple. 9 5 45. This is 40. Right? Then again add these two and write the result as 490. Similarly for 9 into 6, 8 into 6, this is the sixth multiple. So you are getting 54, 48. Add up these two and you get the result as 5, 8 and 8. Is it clear? And keep on doing like this. Now I give you another example of, suppose the digit is 39. You have to write the table for 39. Again, divided into two parts, 3 and 9, these are the two digits. Into 1 is definitely 39. Into 2, second multiple, will be what? 3 into 2 and 9 into 2. Don't write anything in between. So it is 6 and this is 18. Right? Now what we will do? You have to add. So this will write as 06. Write in two digit form. 06 and 18. Then you add these two. So your answer is 078 or you can simply say it is 78. Similarly for 3 times, it is 3 into 3, then 9 into 3. Right? This is the third multiple. So what is the answer coming? 9 3 is the 3 3 is the 9, sorry. 3 3 is the 9 here and 9 3 is the 27. Right? Now you write it as 09 and then you add these two and the answer will be 0 11 7. So you will write simply 117. This is the 3 times of 39. When you write 4 times, so it is 9 into 4, which is a multiple of 4. These are the multiples, no? This has got nothing to do here. So these are the multiples of 39. So 3 into 4 are 12, 9 into 4 is 36. Then you add up these two and write the final answer as 156. 156. Then you take this 3 into 5, then 9 into 5. Here it is again 15. 9 into 5 is 45. So you get again 5 and 4 is 9. So it is 195. Like this. Sometimes you will get double digit when you are adding these two numbers. So if it is 5 and 5, then what will happen? 10. For 10, you will carry the 1 onto the left side and convert this 1 into 2 and write 0. 205 something. Suppose you are going to 6 numbers. Okay, let me see what happens here. 3 into 6 and 9 into 6. It is 36. This is 56. Now this is the situation has come which I was trying to explain you, that now when you are adding these two, it is a combination of 11. While how I will write 11? I will not write 3, 11 and 6. What I will do? This is equal to 11. So I will write 1 here and carry this 1 here. So it will become 4, 1 and 6. Right? Oh, it is 18. Sorry. It is 18. 3 6 are 18. 9 6 are 56. 54. I am doing everything wrong. Sorry. Now this is 18. 9 6 are 54. So this is the total of 13. So what I will do? I cannot write 1, 1, 3 and 4. That is not coming here. So this one will go with this. So this will become 2, 3 and 4. Understood? Similarly, go for the seventh stage. 3 into 7 and 9 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. 63. Again, a simple one. You get 6 and 1, 7. But this was very particular. 8 into 8 and 5 makes you 13. And you cannot write 13 in between 2 digits. Because the answer will be only 3 digits. It will not be 4 digits. So likewise, you can do any 2 digit table. That is the simplest way of doing it. Right? So this was very interesting and useful for all the students who are going to write any exam of the schools. Now, next I will tell you something regarding a number. So, no more it is a table topic. So, the table part I'll remove. Now, I am talking about some numbers, special number, which was discovered by some Indian mathematician, and we have forgotten his name. It is not coming anywhere because this is not a part of any syllabus. So people do not talk about it and people do not learn it, as simple as it is. Now this is a scientist or mathematician who is called Kaprekar. Kaprekar. And the number is called Kaprekar's number. What is that number? And what is the speciality about this number? That is what we are going to talk now. There is a particular number which is 6174. This number is called Kaprekar's number. Why it is called Kaprekar's number? Because there is a speciality about it. This number was discovered by Kaprekar in the year 1949 when I was born. It is not very late or very early. It's very recently done. Still people do not remember it and we do not talk about it. What is that specialty? Pick up any 4-digit number. Suppose I have picked up a number called 5432. Any 4-digit number. You have to write in the descending order. So it is the descending order already written. What you are picking up any 4-digit number and writing in descending order. That is, the highest one will be in the beginning and the lowest one will be at the end. 5 is the biggest, 2 is the smallest. Writing this in this fashion and then write in the reverse order. So what is the reverse order? 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is bigger, this is smaller, because the first digit or the last digit here on the left hand side is the bigger one, this is the smaller one. So subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. What you get is a number again, it is 8325, which I have already done it. Now it is in a haphazard manner. Arrange these numbers again in a descending order. So what is that number we will arrange is called 8, 5, 3, 2. Arranging. Arrange in descending order. Right? Take the reverse of this number. What is the reverse? 2, 3, 5 and 8. It is the increasing order. When I subtract these two numbers, what I get? See here, 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. This is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. So what I got? I got a number same here. So that is the specialty of this. You can pick up again this number. If I say that this is not the end, then what is the descending order again? I'll keep on getting the same number. See, the descending order will be 7, 6, 4 and 1. Is it not? This is the descending order of this haphazard number. Then I write the ascending order. 1, 4, 6, 7. This was the descending order and this is the ascending order. Take the difference. 11 minus 7 is again 4. This is 3. 13 minus 6 is 7. This is 3. 13 minus 4 is, no, this was 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So what I got? Again the same thing. So whatever is now this number, even after reversing it in the order of ascending or descending, you keep on getting the same thing. That is the specialty of this number. You can try with any number. I have picked up 5432. You can take 1890. Now this is not in order. So you have to write in ascending order is 9810. Then write the other one 0189. Correct? Then you subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. And this is 8. So you are getting 8621. 10 minus 9 is 1, 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 9 minus 0. It is already 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now you change the order. So what is that? 1. No, you have to write in descending order is already there. So you have to write 1, 2, 6, 9. Then again subtract. 11 minus 9 is 2. 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5. This is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is 9 minus 1 is 8. Again you write in an order. I'll just clean this part and write this thing. We will reach back to the same thing. 8352. I am writing in a descending order. 8532. Then 2358 and subtract. 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. This is 4. 4, 3 is 1. 8, 2 is 6. So what I got? See, at this stage, again I got it. So any number you pick up, you have to land up at 6174. And this particular number is called the magic number and is called Capraker's number. This is the gentleman who has discovered this. So this was something very special about the numbers. Then I tell you one more numbers property. What is the property of another number I have? This is not related to Kapreker anymore, what I am talking now. So his name should not appear here. So we will talk about a number which is called 1089. What is the specialty of this 1089? When I multiply it with 1, what I get is 1089. Nothing very unusual. But the same thing I can rewrite as 9 into 1089. When I do 9 into 1089, the value will come as 9801. It will get reversed. 9801. 1089, 9801. It gets a reversal. Similarly, when I write 2 times of this, it is just the double of it. It is called 2178. And again, instead of 9, now I will come down. This side I am increasing, this side I am decreasing. Now it is 8 times 1089 and the value will be what? It will be 8712. Just the reverse of this. See the fun. This all gets reversed. This and this gets a relation. This and this gets a relation. Now 3 times of 1089. The multiplication of 3 times is 3267. And when I write 8 and next number is 7, 7 times of 1089, that will give me the reverse of this. The order is 7623. So it is 7623. That is the relation between this number and this number. 4 times of 1089. You keep on doing this and it will definitely match. That is the specialty of mathematics. 4356. And I can write the 6 into 1089 and that number will be reverse of this, that is 6534. So what I am doing, 1089 is fixed here, same number, right? 1089 is the same number. Here the multipliers are increasing from 1 down to 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Here the multipliers are reducing from 9 downwards. Let's see what happens at 5. 5 is the common number, no? Both sides it should appear. 5 is here, 5 is here. So the number should be same. Now the multiplication is 4, no, it is 5445. 5445. That is the multiplication. That's a very funny number. 5445. When I write like this or I write like this, it is the same thing. You see the multiplication of 5 times 1089, which I got here, will be the same here. 5445. Whether I write in this order or write in the reverse order, the digits will never change. So that is the specialty of the number system here. For today, let's stop here and I'll talk to you something more in my next class. Thank you very much for your valuable time, and if you liked it, please click the subscribe button and put a thumbs up for many more interesting things to come up. Thank you again.